Okay, good morning, girls. This is Marian from Medical Massage Professionals. Is today, what is today? Saturday, right? It's early in the morning, I think it's around 9, and we start our day with another fibrosis case from a patient coming from, are you from Miami?
Yes, from Miami.
Yeah, she's from Miami. Okay, she got lipo and BBL with a very, very prestigious doctor here very popular doctor in Miami. Okay, how are you today?
How are you?
Excellent,
Good.
good. Well, tell me, when was the surgery? What happened? Why are you looking for fibrosis treatment today in our practice?
My surgery was June 14th, and after 2 weeks or so, I noticed that I had irregularities on especially on the front.
Mm-hmm.
Like I noticed dents, a little bit of dent and discoloration.
Okay, hardness, uneven areas, indentation, and coloration.
Yes.
And what else? Somebody told you or give you some instruction about the lipoform, the abdominal board, or because I asking you this because I realized that you don't wearing the lipoform under the abdominal board, and you have a very, very, very a big indentation, and it's because the abdominal board is on the skin without any support under the lipoform. So tell me a little bit more.
No, not really. Nobody really gave me instructions. I pretty much watched videos
See?
on YouTube.
Yeah, unfortunately, this is the case that we have, that I can see here every day. Very popular doctors, very good doctors, they work with team that they are not doing something good. That's why we have every day more and more fibrosis cases. You need to give instruction to your patient. If you are too busy because the place is too crowded, okay, a paper, a letter with all the instruction. Nowadays, unfortunately, all the girls are learning from a surgical sister, a YouTube, Mr. Google. Is not the way that work. I have a lot of cases here where the girl go find out answers in the surgical center or surgical communities. What is that? The instruction needs to come from your doctor, your nurse, or your therapist. No, through your neighbor, your friend, and another person that went through the surgery like you. So I don't think that is the proper way to get education. Okay, so you receive, we don't want to say what is that, but you receive treatment with other machinery, right?
Yes, it was an infrared machine. I think it was a red light.
Red light, infrared machine, radio frequency, and blah blah. Always, again, I can say the problem is not the machine. The problem is not the machine. This is a very good machine. The problem is that the people that are using these machines, I'm talking about the therapists, the masseurs, they don't have how to use the machine and when to use the machine. They don't have proper training in how to use machineries. That's why we have a lot of cases. And now, after you pay a surgery, I don't think that is cheap, right?
No.
You pay a lot of money, right?
Yeah, almost $6,000.
$6,000. And are you happy with the results?
I'm happy with the results if it wasn't for the fibrosis.
Yes,
Yeah.
the result is good, but also you are not happy because now you need another.
Yeah, another treatment.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Another treatment that people can prevent. This is the point, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will post before and after pictures, and we're gonna start today our popular treatment, Sotelo-Paz technique for fibrosis treatment and soft tissue mobilization. And you know that we have our technique trademarked in the United States. And where you find out this place?
I googled fibrosis treatment and it popped up.
Oh, okay.
And then I just went to Instagram.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for your testimonial. So see you in few sessions.
Thank you.
Thank you, girls. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day, girls.